Okay, we're gonna blow him off. And we are done!
Hey everyone, we're here today to test out this hand sanding vacuum attachment I got at Lowe's. It's hooked up to this small shop vac, and we're gonna go sand some things in this bathroom we're remodeling. Let's go check it out. Hey everyone, we're here in the bathroom, and we've been doing some sanding, as you can see, with the sander. And of course, you always want to wear a mask when you're sanding. But you can see all the disaster that I've gotten myself into just sanding in here. And so now we're going to take our trusty attachment here, hooked up to our shop vac, and we're going to sand this ledge right here. You see this ledge right here? All right, we're going to sand that and see how it works. I have a 220 grit sanding screen here. I did try it with the 120, and the 120 was leaving a lot of lines on the drywall when I was sanding it. So I wanted to go with something a little bit more finer so you don't see those lines. But anyways, this is how much of, when I was sanding, this is how much I caught. That's a lot, right? As you can see it on me as well, that's a lot of dust. So let's see if this vacuum attachment does a little bit better than this, all right? So don't mind the noise, we're gonna knock it off. So you're gonna start off with a clean screen down here, and we're gonna turn this on and let's see. As you guys can see, we did smooth out the ridge in the wall here. I skim coated over this board so everything looks like drywall after I paint it. But it did leave some lines. It's a little concerning here. It did pick up a lot of the dust. You can see maybe about 20% of the dust landed on the screen below. So that's not too bad as far as picking up the dust for you, which that's what it's supposed to do. But as far as performance sanding wise, it's probably worth getting a little bit dusty like me and just sucking it all up with a vacuum at the end and getting the look you want, rather than maybe going for one of these and having to fix it in the end, and it's going to cost you more time. So someone always told me work smarter, not harder, and that's what we're going to try to do for the rest of this bathroom. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of our videos in the future. Hey everyone, we're in the kitchen. Hey everyone, we're in the bathroom. Oh, use some Bisqueen here. Should I start talking with a southern accent? As you can see, we smoothed this out here with the utensil. The spatula. This will help you out. Anyways. This thing is actually ridiculous though. I'm never gonna use this again.